Wacuka Mucendo muini wa nyimbo cia mugithiri watigite mafans make na kimako kinene thutha wa muini uyu kumbura ndeto imwikirite kiha uriri ndeto ciake ciige muthuri uria mwikirite ihu ithiete na mbere gutambio ng'enda-ini na miario ingi mingi igakorwo ikirekererio igi Wacuka haria Evangelist Maseno Ngari aremetwo ni kuhitha maithori make ya kinene kurumira kiundu kiria kimuhatikite muno ta uria ukiui Nugari uria urutaga mawira ma humanity oho ni muhaririria na producer wa show ya Jaji ya Muturire kwa ceceni ya Kameme TV me hamwe na Manyari na riu kwetukira ng'enda ciake cia ukinyaniria Maseno Ngari atigite eroriria mutambo wake wa Facebook maiyurwo ni kieha onao akionania kiundu kiria kimwikirite hahu na kimako kinene thutha wa kwamukira ndeto cigi cucu mwe uria erigite gwikira mucango wa uteithio thutha wa kuhonokio kana kumuhonokia kuma githaka-ini gia Karura Forest kuria atuite wikaro wake na Nugari hamwe na timu yake magiakira cucu ucio nyumba Brotini mwena wa Girigiri haria cucu uyu ahehenjire ngoro cia Akenya ingi na tha nyingi thutha wa kuonania her only daughter suffering from alcohol addiction kunywa njohi itari na uigiririki handu aremereirwo ni kurera nginya twana twake haria cucu uyu abindirwo gwikara na twana tu thutha wa gwakirwo nyumba na ndeto yake hani ati her only daughter Mobe Pastona akihuruka na kumatiga mihaso rest in peace na cucu uyu agitigwo na responsibility ya kurera twana twa mwari wake haria kwiyumiritie ndeto ingi ciake hakinene thutha wa Nugari kumbura ati riu cucu uyu ni umite mucii wake wa Girigiri kuria akirwo nyumba na gutiganiriria twana twake na gucokereria uikaro wake wa nahau kabere githaka-ini gia Karura Forest undu uria riu utumurite githagathago kinene Nugari akionania ndeto ici mutambo-ini wake wa Facebook haria ugite ati kazi zingine ni ngumu crying mujie. Do you recall the Karura Forest story? Do you know after kupeleka Shosh Gilgil alikaa kidogo akarudi Karura. Imagine living this house fully furnished. Now her only daughter Mobi is no more. Her children were rescued in Githogoro and taken to children's home. Huyu shosho angekuwa serious, angekaa na watoto huko na tungekuwa tunawasaidia. Devastated emoji. Brian, the firstborn, is now in grade 8 and soon he will be a gentleman to take care of this house and plot. This one will never be sold. May God remember these children. Nugari agikenera na kuga munakumbuka Githogoro ile nyumba niliingia ikafungwa. Nyumba ile yakirwo miaka 3 mihituku haria Nugari acabanirie kambeni ya Ondoa Shosho Karura Forest na Kenya ingi ya wendi mwega magicangithia makiria ma 300,000 in a very short time, but riu unfortunately ni kunyitanite haria gikundi kinene kia huthiria nenda na arumiriria Nugari makinyiriirie wendekithia wa cucu kurorwo meciria make ugikuirwo cucu uyu might be suffering from depression haria atarenda kuoya responsibility ya kurera twana twake twa mwari wake. Josephine Ng'ang'a akiuga depression is real, at times it's hard to take away depression from others. Some people do not like to take responsibilities. The lesser they have to do the better. Lee Wabui Aida onake akiuga it's more than meets the eye. I have a similar case somewhere where the lady is constantly going to the forest. It's like she's stuck in a particular time. She's very prayerful, but she can't stay in her well-built permanent house and let her grown-up children to take care of her. There is a root cause somewhere. Life is spiritual. Diwe wena maoni mariko megie ndeto ici na ungienda Evangelist Maseno Ngari eke atia ungina muci uyu wa cucu uyu tugitanya all will be well. Na ndeto cigie muini Wacuka Mucendo ni ikirite mafans make kia kinene ecio no currently muini uyu ni ohete nda na ni arakorirwo agitabania baby shower event haria aini mekinyitie agishuti rwimbo rwake rweru rwa wendo ni wendo hamwe na muini Kigia wa Esther haria gikundi kinene kia huthiria nenda matigitwo me very convince ihu ria Wacuka ni ria mbamba haria muini uyu umiritie thutha wa kwamukira critics ici ciothe even kuma kwi MC Zaku na ndeto iria ikoretwo igitambio ng'enda-ini. Wacuka akiuga ayurwo ni kiha ati andu marutaga muceni ungikoma akirikia na crying emoji. Ndeto ciikirite mafans make kimako kinene makienda kumenya what is happening na whether Wacuka and her unborn baby kana mesawa.